up, hose down while you motherfuckers down, sir. Really? Masshole left. That's what happens when you block the crosswalk. You know?
Really done a disservice when it comes to both medications and vaccines, where we don't really explain the risks
turn on,
of
Rad.
not doing something.
And that kind of segues us more into toxicology, which is where all my focus
Red light
is.
run.
And what I try.
Kirk will save you and lead your loved ones to the fortunate family. I mean, next generation.
Red to the stop. Subaru driver. Exit dive. Did not stop. But I'm streeing, but I'm dum streeing.
Oh, good God. It's by Carrie Underwood.
No stop.
Jesus, take the wheel.
You could have just said, has done nothing. Nothing. Oh. Just left it
No
there.
stop.
And
That was no turn on red.
Dealing with the mayhem. All of it. I'm so glad you're here. If you want to be on our show, give me a shout. 1-844-693. Then he has to go get the help he needs so that he can have that conversation with you. Or by not getting help, he's choosing
Really?
out of the relationship. And that's going to be hard for me.
No stop. Toyo turn. Camroid. Red light run. Badly. Red light run up there.
And that do you guys believe that you could currently hold any strong beliefs that are as obviously illogical as
Dude, get out of my lane.
Prior to thinking about benefit people.
I mean, it's just like saying, could you be wrong about something again? And yes, of course I do. Like, I'm probably wrong about. I'm probably mentally holding a belief right now that is wrong. When
What the fuck are you doing, man?
Let's look at it this way. So I'm probably holding a belief. Let's say like belief.
Exit dive up there.
Really devastate people to the point of taking millions of dollars and bankrupting them because their belief was so strong.
Did not stop.
And they got conned and sucked in that these people are to a psychic. And the reason was because I had written
No stop.
an article about
Nissan
an
driver.
investigator who
thousands of these predictions over 2 days.
Yeah. Before we get to that, chronologically, I think Richard's.
I believe that's no turn on red.
Part of all the work he did to put these together. There were several episodes of the Skeptic Zone which I listened to. No one cares to enforce this.
I think we're also looking at
Ah, he blew right through Subaru driver. Or I shall say, Screwbaroo.
CFI IG right now, and Richard Saunders has one too, right? In Australia?
$100,000 in Australia. Yep.
Well, really?
Sounds like prime opportunity for someone with genuine. Should be.
Yeah.
Oh, that's an important distinction. And very tightly answered there. That's damn near soundbite for you. Okay. All right.
All right.
Keep it coming. All right.
No stop. Hey guys, didn't stop. No, Ford didn't stop. Are you gonna move in or not? Look at all the space I'm giving you. Look at all the space I'm giving you to move over. Take a hint. Flashing lights means you gotta move over.
A few moments later.
Oh, now you decide you gotta move over. Plot thickens. Oh, wait. No, you're still not. Yeah, look at all these.
I saw something about Nigel in the newspaper. Is he okay? Is everything okay? So, Mom, you're gonna just tell them, like, don't worry, he's fine. You know, and my mom can worry. But meanwhile, in the West, who cares? People have said worse things. Most of the tabloids like in Malaysia.
Really?
It's obviously here.
I'm assuming that, you know, because I was in just 37 years, I'm assuming that
No, stop.
Just a time
No, stop.
where, you know, when enough time.
It's not equate to whether or not you approve of the images that you saw on some shady website late at
Sitting
night.
there.
And
there he goes.
Sometimes we won't even get past
Your back pocket. It's a mantra worth repeating.
Yeah.
Kara, I'm really glad that I got to be
No,
on
stop.
an episode of Set Connection with you.
One of the gaps we have when we're grieving, what used to be and what is that we
I don't think that guy
lionize
stopped.
what used to be. So she could tell me dirty jokes and I'd be like, Mom, don't say that. I had that picture of my mom, and it's not going to happen.
Really?
And let your body feel that.
You never stopped.
Wants it out of you. Puking's also underrated because it's getting it out way quicker than on the other end. Because the other end, it got into you, it went through the whole thing.
Hey,
you know?
well,
It kind of got past.
You don't know what exit you want, so you gotta figure it out, I guess.
Competitors. Here to help us dive into this wide world of sports broadcasting, Richard Deitch. He is a sports writer at The Athletic
Hey, what-
and host
what the
of a
hell was
sports
that up
media
there?
podcast covering, you guessed it, the sports media landscape.
whereas women are more verbal, so there's more nerve connections to their ears, or that somehow male
Exit dive way up
sexuality
there.
is more thoroughly. I think it might not be that well thought out for many people.
Well, no, I mean, admittedly, that's
Did not stop.
stupid interpretation. Well,
And if you just show up and have a female body or female looking body, then
Red light
it's
run.
more a distraction.
Mass hole left. Did not stop.
I have a lot of members, and it's a big organization. And I had a friend who lead it.
Red light run.
So what are our options? Legally, I mean.
No stop.
Well, we as Airbnb aren't under any obligation to
No
make sure that
stop.
our hosts aren't breaking the law.
And we're 3 for 3.
Eyebrows knit together.
Yeah, you're tired.
No stop. And it's still red.
Says you don't want to be dead.
No stop. Oh wait. No stop. No stop. Got a bunch of them. Did not stop up there. No stop. Did not stop. Dude, the speed limit here is 55. You're only going 30. Yeah, now we're starting to pick up the pace a little bit. We're up to 35 now. much. Here we go, we're up to 45. Woohoo! Great! Wonderful! Yeah, like I got enough shit I gotta get done today. And of course there's a line of 6 cars behind us. Yay! Of course we gotta slow way the fuck down to make this turn. This very, very sharp turn. Ah! No stop. And that kind of wasn't a stop either. Red, Subaru.
Sometimes just come with questions on YouTube and want to say something or give your input, which I'm...
Oh boy, oh boy. That could have been bad. Look to the right too.
They release new boxes every month across a ton of different categories. It's free to sign up.
But I'm streaking, but I'm streaking, but I'm dumb streaking. They even look this way.
Victorians really got into that. And it's really interesting how...
Really?
It almost seems like innate to us as a species to be like somewhat drawn to.
Just don't spray paint. Don't do that. But no, I agree. Like
Go.
You know, and I was also.
Why were you stopping?
Because I think that one.
No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. No trucks in the left lane. No, you can't be there if we're in Connecticut. But we're not in Connecticut. We're in New York State, and on this particular highway it's perfectly loud, so I guess you're okay, I guess. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next episode, whenever that would be. Okay, bye!